Hello everyone, in this video I will share new makeup releases news by Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty introducing WATTABRAT Collection. Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer price is $23. Available into shades WATTAB, *% 3D Electric Fuchsia Shimmer, WATTABRAT 3D Baby Pink Shimmer. Next product is Mini Killawatt Freestyle, highlighter price is $20. These are also available into shades WATTABRAT 3D Baby Pink Shimmer, WATTAB, *% 3D Electric Fuchsia Shimmer. Last product is Fairy Balm Wattacrush Heart-Shaped Shimmer, puff price is $47, leaves a pink sparkle and all-over Q10 body glow. This new collection by Fenty Beauty available now on their website and Sephora website. Here I am attaching pictures and swatches of this new collection. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.